Some more breaking news coming in. Deputy Commissioner Harvinder Singh says, "We have been directed to conduct a comprehensive civil defence mock exercise titled Operation Shield to test our preparedness for potential emergencies, including targeted attacks and large-scale disasters. This drill is scheduled for tomorrow and is part of a routine effort to ensure that our response systems remain sharp and effective. This exercise follows recent national-level operations like Operation Sindoor, and it will focus on our ability to respond to emergencies involving critical installations, potential casualties, and the impact on surrounding civilian areas. The goal is to practice rescue efforts, assess readiness, and identify both our strengths and areas for improvement. All emergency services will participate, including civil defence volunteers, wardens, Aapda Mitras, NCC cadets, emergency response departments. Listen in.
सिविल डिफेंस एक्सरसाइजेज टाइम टू टाइम की जाती हैं। उसी में हमें हिदायतें आई हैं कि ऑपरेशन शील्ड के नाम से एक मॉक एक्सरसाइज करनी है, जिसमें हमने अपनी प्रिपेयर्डनेस देखनी है इन केस ऑफ एनी एक्चुअल स्ट्राइक। आप जानते हैं कि हाल ही में देश में ऑपरेशन सिंदूर लॉन्च हुआ, जिसमें कई कोशिशें की गई हमारे इंस्टॉलेशंस को हिट करने का। तो सिमिलर एक प्रैक्टिस सेशन रहेगा, जिसमें किसी एक इंस्टॉलेशन को हिट करके उसमें अगर कैजुअलिटीज या इंजर्ड लोग हैं, आसपास के सिविलियन एरियाज अफेक्ट होते हैं, तो उस केस में कैसे बचाव के कार्य किए जाएंगे, उस सब की हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है। ये कल के लिए हमारा लिस्टेड है और इसके लिए तमाम प्लान हो चुके हैं। इसमें सारे इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट, सारे सिविल डिफेंस के वॉलंटियर, सारे वार्डन्स, आपदा मित्र, हमारे एनसीसी के बच्चे, हमारे सब लोग इंक्लूडेड है। और एक सेशन रहेगा जो कि तकरीबन 2 घंटे का रहेगा, और उसी बीच में हम अपनी तमाम जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं और वीकनेसेस हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे।
My colleague Mehendi Garg is joining us for more on this story. Mehendi, please take us through the details of the civil mock defense drills being conducted today.
Well, indeed, Malvika, Deputy Commissioner Harvinder Singh has informed that they have been directed to conduct a comprehensive civil defence mock exercise titled Operation Shield, and also to test the preparedness for potential emergencies, including targeted attacks and also large-scale disasters. And he has also informed that this drill is scheduled for tomorrow and is part of a routine effort to, ensure that the response system remains sharp and also effective. And talking about this particular exercise, also, Malvika, Deputy Commissioner Harvinder Singh has informed that this will follow recent national level operations like Operation Sindoor, and it will focus on the ability to respond to emergencies involving critical installations, potential casualties, and also the impact on surrounding civilian areas. And the goal for this particular practice is to rescue efforts, assess readiness, and also identify both the strengths and areas for improvement as well. And this session will last approximately 2 hours, during which the teams will simulate a scenario involving a targeted strike on a key installation as well. And these, this will be attended and participated by the civil defense volunteers, the wardens, the Aapda Mitras, NCC cadets, and also the emergency response department. So not only this, Malvika, but also the drill will involve participating in casualty evacuation, managing injured civilians, and also ensure safe zones for affected populations. And Operation Shield will simulate a more public-centric scenario involving both civilian and also critical infrastructure. And this particular drill will make it a unique and important step in preparing for real-life contingencies, as per Harvinder Singh. And also, such exercises will be conducted because the role of civil defense is to remain prepared for all type of emergencies, whether it's natural or it's man-made as well. So, also, Deputy Commissioner Harvinder Singh has informed that.
All right, Mehendi.